everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's me again, Joy. Yes, so today guys, I have this box in front of me. This box, it's so big, huge box, and this is a ring light. Okay guys, so this is my old light, and this is called soft box, but this one you cannot adjust the brightness, so I just get the better one that you can adjust. I'm so excited to open this. I got this from Amazon. I got this with a good price. Wow. And I saved $50 for this big, huge ring light. So this one is normally $119, but I saved $50 to get this. So I saw the deal in Facebook, so I just click it and then bring me to Amazon, and then boom, I got it. I think they still have it in there. Come on girls, do it quick. And I'm gonna put the link down below the description to go to this product all the way to Amazon. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get this started. Okay guys, so I'm just so excited to open this box. Let's get this started. Okay, so it came with two boxes. So this is the original box that with the ring. Oh my god, this is so big. Ugh. Oh, this one is a big bag. Okay. Here's the brand. Okay guys, so be careful if you buy like this ring light. Just make sure that included the bag, okay? Because sometimes they don't include the bag. That's kind of shitty. I really like the bag because it's really protect your stuff when you put it back, and when you know planning to go somewhere and you want to bring this, it's kind of a little fancier with a bag. But this one is a bag on like you are ready to travel. Let's go travel. This is, what is this? 18-inch. So this is 18-inch. Okay, this is the diffuser. Okay, so this is the charger, and oh, it's a clicker.
Snapper.
Golden color. Okay. All right, we're done with that.
Okay, guys. Yeah.
Woo! Here you go, the stand. I was worried earlier that it's gonna be like, you know, cheap, but it looks strong, so that's good. Okay, so let's move on this. It's kind of a little heavy, that's good, and it's look like feels strong. It's not like you know, it's not too cheap, but it's really, you know, feels good in my hand. I think this is good. Okay, there we go. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of a little tricky to line it up, all this plastic. Alright, here you go. Oh my god, I think I can wear this for my necklace. Photo shoot. Ah! Okay guys, so I already installed it and I got it started, and I'm just gonna show you guys. Yee! You can even see me.
Hey guys.
Okay, let's go try this. Let's turn it on. They're gonna see my wrinkle now. Okay guys, so here's the light is off, and I will slowly turn it all the way up. Holy moly, this ring light is bright, yeah. The light can get very bright, and it's nice flat light. Yeah, it's a daylight color, and you can make the light warmer with the orange filter. Yes, but I'm brown enough. I'm already morena, too much morena. I really like the light reflecting in your eyes. You can see it guys in my eyes, that white round in my eyes. Make you look like a model. What do you think guys? This light ring comes with a camera holder in the middle. We have our big camera in there, and it's strong enough to hold our heavy camera. It's awesome, right? The light comes with the cell phone holder. Yes. So you can use that too. It's awesome. Oh my god, I love this already. Yeah. I really love this light ring. Oh my god, it's the value of the money you will pay. You don't regret it. I really love this. Oh my god. I just finished, you know, setting up and everything. I already love it. This is not all the way the light is, but it came. Oh my god. But yeah, in this settings, I think this is perfect. I hope you enjoy this video. Go to the description. I'm gonna put the link down below. Thank you all for watching. I love you all. I just enjoyed this life. Bye.